DP Tutoring welcomes you to this AQA Chemistry Paper 1 short answer question. This standard demand question is taken from the June 2022 series. Pause the video and check your understanding at different points. Good luck! Part A of the question asks you to use dots and crosses to represent the electrons and show how hydrogen and chlorine bond to form hydrogen chloride. This is straightforward since the diagram already indicates it is a covalent bond. Use the periodic table to place the electrons on each atom. The answer for part A is on the screen. However, to get the 2 marks, you must show one pair of an electron in the overlap and a 6 non-bonding electron in the outer shell of chlorine. Part B of the question asks you to state what is meant by a strong acid. This is a typical question for most chemistry examinations, so it is good to pause the video and review this term before you continue. The answer for part B for the definition of a strong acid is one that is completely ionized in aqueous solution. Again, review this term and ensure you also know what is meant by ionized before you continue. In part C, you were asked to describe how magnesium can be used to distinguish between a strong acid and a weak acid of the same concentration. This is a very good example of checking your understanding of the reactivity of metal. A diagram is on screen to help you think about the question. Before you view the answer for part C, please take a moment to observe the diagram on the screen for magnesium placed in strong and weak acids. The observations you can make are: 1. There is more fizzing or gas produced in strong acid. 2. The rate of the bubbles or fizzing is greater in strong acid compared to the weak acid. The final part of the question informs you that the concentration of hydrochloric acid is increased by a factor of 100. On the screen is an explanation of what the factor of 100 is. AQA asks you, based on your understanding of the concentration increased by a factor of 100, what is the change in pH? The answer would be 1. pH would decrease. 2. By a unit of 2. Explanation: if you increase the factor of 100, then you will get 200. 200 divided by 100 is equal to 2. Take time to review this to increase your chances in your examination.
Thanks for watching. Remember to follow, share and leave a comment. Link to my website is in the bio for more information. Thanks for watching.